Did you know that nearly 60% of the money world governments hold in reserve is in a single currency? That's the US dollar. It's a part of everything, from buying a barrel of oil to a company getting an international loan. But what would happen if that order began to change? Recently, a phrase has been popping up more and more: de-dollarization. Simply put, it's the effort by countries to depend less on the US dollar. So why is this happening now? Who is behind it? And what does it mean for the global economy and your own wallet? Let's explain. To understand the future, we need to look at the past. The dollar's throne wasn't an accident. It started after World War II, when the US economy was completely dominant. At the Bretton Woods Conference, countries agreed to link their currencies to the US dollar, which was linked to gold. The USD officially became the world's reserve currency. And then, the petrodollar system cemented this position. The US made a deal with Saudi Arabia that oil would be traded in USD. This created a loop. To buy oil, you needed dollars. To get dollars, you had to trade with America. This gave America an exorbitant privilege: the ability to print money and impose economic sanctions. So why do countries want out now? There are three main reasons. 1. The weaponization of the dollar. When the US sanctioned Russia, it froze hundreds of billions of Russia's reserve dollars. This sent a chilling message: if you're not on our side, your assets could be next. 2. The rise of new powers. China doesn't want to depend on its rival's currency. Along with the BRICS bloc, they are actively creating their own systems. And 3. America's giant debt and the need for autonomy. Every time the US Fed changes interest rates, the whole world shakes. Countries want to steer their own economic ships, instead of being tossed by waves from Washington. De-dollarization isn't just talk. It's actually happening. First, bilateral deals, trading in their own currencies. Second, gold. Central banks are buying gold at a record pace. Third, central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, as a way to create new payment systems. So, will the dollar collapse tomorrow? The answer is almost certainly no. The most likely scenario is power sharing. We are heading towards a multipolar currency world. The USD will still be important, but no longer the only one. What does this mean for you? For Americans, it could mean higher interest rates and more expensive imports. For investors, diversifying assets becomes more important. In summary, the dollar's throne is being challenged by a slow, steady shift in economics and geopolitics. This process will reshape the global economy for decades to come. The final question is for you. Which currency do you think could challenge the USD? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe.